It's probably not a healthy thing to spend too much time in the bathroom, but these seemingly insignificant rooms in a home can often have the most impact when it comes to selling your property. So if you're going to do a reno, make sure you do it right. I'm Karen Jones, a seasoned real estate agent with over 20 years local experience, and I'm here to show you a great bathroom makeover. Today we are on site at the beautiful Beach House No.5 right on the Maroochydore Beach on the Sunshine Coast. Every person who comes through these doors comments on how well presented this home is, and it's by no accident that it evokes such an emotion from potential buyers. Now let's take a peek at the bathroom. But before we do, let's take a look at how it was before. And now. The owners had a definite plan for this room, and the result is a well executed and functional ensuite. Look at the lines and attention to detail. The simplicity of white tiles complemented by feature tiles and cabinetry cleverly give the feeling of quality and elegance. There's no need to complicate the design. Steer clear of curves, fancy hero pieces, or ornate and decorative mouldings. The simpler the design, the more cost-effective it will be. Large mirrors give the illusion of space and light, and if you're on a budget, look for bargains online. Flat mirrors can be framed, mirror cabinets can be set in the wall, and just look at the difference this attention to detail makes. You'll notice you can't see any pipework in this bathroom. Conceal where possible with a nib wall or strategically placed cabinets. Overall, choose your colours wisely, use tiles and cabinets which complement each other, and keep it neutral to appeal to a wider audience. And use mirrors to reflect the light and add a pop of colour through styling, which can easily be removed and changed if need be. If you are lucky enough to have a bathroom like this one, you may not want to leave. But I, for one, am going to step outside and enjoy the sights and sounds of the ocean. I'll see you in my next video.